Today I'm going to show you how to make a natural, organic, non-toxic toothpaste at home with just two main ingredients. All you need is some coconut oil and some baking soda. Well, make sure it's baking soda, not baking powder, because baking powder has some additional ingredients which we do not need in the toothpaste. To verify that it's baking soda, just check the ingredients list and make sure that there's only sodium bicarbonate in the ingredients list. About the coconut oil, make sure it's fresh, because if it's not fresh, the toothpaste won't be as good. It won't taste that good. This one was made at my home in this kitchen. The best is cold pressed unheated virgin coconut oil, but you can still use refined coconut oil too. That's what I'm using today because that's what I have. Now, before we start making the toothpaste, why do we even need to make a toothpaste at home in the first place when we have this? Commercial toothpaste is so bad. It's bad for your health, it's bad for your mind, it's bad for your body, and possibly even bad for your soul. You should never use commercial toothpaste. I'm going to give you a few reasons why. Number one, fluoride. Fluoride is a toxic substance. I don't care what you say about it preventing cavities. It may prevent cavities, but it's a toxic substance. Fluoride is a neurotoxin. It has been known to cause brain damage. There was one study done on mice or rats, I'm not sure, where they gave them water with a fluoride concentration of 5 parts per million. What they found was shocking. The baby rats born were hyperactive and had a low IQ. It was particularly male baby rats which showed these characteristics. And if you connect these results to the effects on humans, what do you think? Make your own conclusion. And by the way, they fed the rats water with a fluoride concentration of 5 parts per million. Do you know? Wait. It says that it contains a fluoride concentration of 1,450 parts per million. Do you know what kind of fluoride it is? Sodium fluoride. It's a very toxic man-made type of fluoride that they add in toothpastes. Then you have sodium lauryl sulfate or sodium laureth sulfate. Sulfates are used as foaming agents in toothpaste and many other commercial products like shampoo, soaps, whatever. Sodium lauryl sulfate is a known irritant and it causes damage by stripping off the protective mucus layer in the mouth, which opens the door for more damage to be done. Then there's xenoestrogens. These are foreign estrogens. I've talked about these before in my other videos. Xenoestrogens like parabens are endocrine disruptors. They mimic estrogen. Basically, it messes up all your hormones. And then there's artificial sweeteners. Some such as aspartame has been classified as a possible carcinogen. They're really bad for your metabolic health and they just destroy your gut microbiome. And then there's other toxic substances like triclosan, which has been known to cause thyroid hormone disruption and even reproductive hormone disruption. And then there's propylene glycol, which has been known to cause cardiovascular damage and nervous system damage. And titanium dioxide. This one has titanium dioxide in it. Titanium dioxide has been known to cause DNA damage in rats, so it possibly does in humans as well. So now we know exactly why you shouldn't use commercial toothpaste. Even after telling you all of this, if you still continue to use commercial fluoride toothpaste, then you're finished. Now let's start making the toothpaste. All you need is some coconut oil, some baking soda, as I told before, and a glass bottle to put it in. The baking soda is for teeth whitening. It does a really good job for whitening your teeth. And it's also for neutralizing the acids produced by the bad bacteria in your mouth. To start, you add some baking soda, 2 teaspoons of honey. Make sure you add just enough so that it will last for a week or two. If you add too much, you can't finish it on time, and the coconut oil goes stale. So just make enough. Then add coconut oil. Because if you add coconut oil first, then it won't mix well. There you go. Natural, organic, non-toxic toothpaste. But wait, you can add more ingredients. Sand and peppermint oil. This is sand. You can add sand to your toothpaste if you want to give it a slightly rougher texture. But make sure the sand is very fine, otherwise it will be too abrasive on your teeth. The best place to collect your sand from is where the waves meet the shore, so that the sand is actually wet as it contains salt water, and salt itself has antimicrobial properties. You can even add peppermint oil to your toothpaste if you want to add a minty taste to it. I've never tried it, so let me know in the comments how it feels. So make sure you use this when brushing your teeth and not this.